Hi, I'm Chef Wan. I'm one of the judges for the MIGF KULinary 2019. I've always find, airport is one of the first gateway. So I think it's nice for us to have a wonderful selection of various street food restaurants, especially coming from Malaysia. Country is famous for its street food, and I think by having more good quality street food, that would really project a very good image for the country. And I'm very proud to be part of MIGF after all these years, to see a lot of their achievement and hard work. And I think no other food bodies out there who really work consistently to put all of us in the hospitality together to kind of help to understand each other's responsibility of producing a higher quality level of food, services and so forth for the industry. Don't forget to support us at the MIGF KULinary 2019 and see you there. I've got 2 demonstrations. Come and support me.